If you don't use AI to market your business, you'll likely fall behind. AI is changing how marketers think about and plan their efforts and strategies. It's not just about having a bot write your blog. AI technology lets business marketers learn more about their target group, make their campaigns more effective, and automate time-consuming tasks. Right now, AI can help you grow your business. Number 9. Marketing automation. Marketing needs to bring people into the marketing funnel and increase sales. Marketing automation helps with this by giving marketers a better tool for their day-to-day marketing efforts. In fact, 80% of marketers who use automation have seen more leads and 77% have seen more sales. Marketing automation software like HubSpot that's driven by AI makes it possible to do personalized marketing while saving time and improving the quality of leads. CRM solutions like email marketing processes, lead scoring, and the generation of unique content can help marketers save time while improving performance and helping the company reach its goals. Number 8. Personalization. Did you know that 80% of customers are more likely to buy from a company that gives them a personalized experience? Marketers can make their messages and content more valuable and interesting for each customer by using AI to personalize it. This increases connection and conversion rates and strengthens ties between the brand and the customer. This gives your business an edge over the competition. AI tools can help you get started with personalization. AI will help you improve and personalize your contacts with customers by combining behavioral, contextual, and demographic data to make your personalized experiences and user journeys. Then, use the information to make the experience better. If you find out that 85% of the people who visit your website do so on a mobile device, you should make your website better for mobile users. You could also make a user journey that fits the consumer's wants and online habits by looking at the pages they visit, the types of content they read, and the heat maps. Number 7. Making it easier to create content. A great writer will always be better than AI. When you use it to write an entire piece, which you should never do, it makes sense. But you can use AI for material in other ways, like to make it better or come up with new ideas. Number 6. Inspire ideas. Stop going around in circles in search of ideas. Storylab.ai is an AI that comes up with content ideas to inspire. Enter the name of your business and a short description of the goods and services you offer. Then click Inspire Me to get ideas. Use these ideas as a starting point and then change them based on what you know and what you've learned. Number 5. Help clarify your message. If you can't figure out how to finish a line, copy it and paste it into a tool that uses AI to write, like ChatGPT or Jasper. Ask the AI to rewrite the writing you pasted into it to make it clearer or more interesting. AI tools may not always give you what you want, but they can help you think of new ideas and be more creative, which can help you fix your copy. Sometimes all you need to do to get past writer's block and get your ideas across is to look at your work in a different way. Number 4. Create videos. Making a video costs a lot of money. It's also hard to get projects going. Try Synthesia if you want to try out videos without much trouble. It uses AI avatars to make movies in 65 languages. AI films don't have to go through a long production process because they can be made in minutes. These are great for training tools and testing a theory fast. Number 3. Optimize advertisement. If you don't use AI for ads, you put yourself at a disadvantage. AI could help marketers improve their ad efforts by using machine learning and campaign analytics. It can also find trends or patterns that can help improve how well ads work. Also, AI insights can help you figure out which ads, audiences, and targeting choices will work best, so you can get a better return on your investment and better results. For example, Google Ads looks at campaigns and makes tips on how to keep them well optimized by using an optimization score. When marketers use Google's machine learning, they get an average of 15% more clicks. Number 2. Better targeting of audiences. AI could help you analyze customer data like hobbies, online behaviors, and demographics to figure out which ads your target audience will be most interested in. This lets you improve the success of your advertising efforts by making sure that the right people see your ads, which leads to more conversions. Number 1. Make relevant copy quickly. All of us have been there. Your boss needs an ad right now and they need it from you. AI can help you quickly write copy that's both useful and interesting. Tools like Copy AI and Jasper are great places to start. The AI will use algorithms to help create ads that appeal to your target market. Keep in mind, though, that it's an AI copy, so you should always evaluate and tweak it to make it your own. This will save you at least 50% of the time you would have spent writing ad copy, which is helpful when you're short on time. Thanks for watching this video.